boy. There it is. Okay. Hello. How you doing?
Good.
Nice to meet you. So we got a spare, right? All right. I just need. Is it in?
Did it mess up here?
Ripped up some wires. Oh, that's the tread from the tire. Hello.
How you doing?
Good. What happened? It just blew out? You know where the spare is?
I got one in the back of my truck.
Perfect. Let me grab it. It's on a rim?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. All right, I'll go around that side. It's a big boy. All right. Let me grab something to put on there so we don't. God damn, dude. That tread is wrapped around that axle like a mother. Yeah, that's a problem. I'm gonna have to fight with that for a little bit. So you don't have to be over here if you don't want. Because I mean, they're gonna hit me. They might as well hit just one of us, not both of us. Because I gotta fight this out of here. It's tangled up real good, so it's gonna be. It ain't gonna be easy.